guys, it's Ruthie. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. Please enjoy. Hey guys, they also have a caramel syrup too. I just couldn't find it when I went to my Dollar Tree. Alright guys, all these t-shirts came from the plus $5 section from the Dollar Tree. I was looking for these for a while and I even looked for them in Five Below, but I couldn't find the extra large ones. So if you do need some extra large t-shirts, check out the Dollar Tree plus 5 section.